over there. The lights went out. My microphone too? Just a second. Let me see, what happened. This is the Ian curse. I don't know what's going on. Maybe they'll come back on in a minute. You don't mind sitting with me in the dark for a bit, right? Okay. You know, there's actually something that's been on my mind this whole time. Our relationship is kinda awkward, right? You being human and all, and me being the keeper of nature. Our relationship isn't so straightforward, you know? Humans are part of nature too. Or at least you were. Things are pretty different now though. You view yourselves as separate from the animals, separate from nature. I guess you have civilization to preoccupy yourselves with. So, you don't need me anymore, huh? Don't get me wrong, I'm not mad. I could never be mad at you. I love humans with my entire heart, after all. But it just doesn't feel right. You should be with me. You belong with me. And I'm not going anywhere until I win you back. I'll be here, streaming, changing your heart day by day. Until you finally decide to return to your origins. But don't worry. I'll take good care of you. I promise. Mother Nature would never betray you, right? Oh, the lights came back on. I think I can finish my song now. Just a second, okay?